How to get working Expedia promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Now type in Expedia promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you the coupon codes. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I will be opening this one, Time Magazine. Once you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers. You can just scroll down and check $100 off, 30%, $50. You're gonna find great deals. Let's try this one, $100 coupon. Click on the option of Show Coupon. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code. At the bottom right corner of the offer, you will be able to find the date, so make sure you check that. So here's the coupon code. I have selected $100 off Expedia promo code. Now I can copy it. Now I can head towards the website of Expedia, and whenever you check out, apply this coupon code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this promo code right away, click on this option, View Discount at Expedia. Log into your account, select the ticket, and whenever you check out, apply this promo code and get the discount. Also, you can try other offers. You're gonna find tons of offers in this page. Likewise, you can also go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you tons of promo codes. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can get working Expedia promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.